You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. Many people who live in New York who are thinking about moving overseas wonder if they can ship furniture from their New York home. Yes, you can absolutely ship furniture from New York to overseas destination. And New York is actually one of the strongest starting points in the United States for an international household move. Because New York is so close to one of the busiest container ports in the East Coast, international shipments often benefit from shorter trucking runs to the port, more sailing options, and in many cases, better sea freight efficiency than moves starting from inland cities. For most furniture shipments, sea freight is the practical choice. The process usually includes collection from your home or apartment, expert packing, transport to the port, container loading, ocean transit, customer clearance overseas, and final delivery to your new address. That's why door-to-door plan matters so much. It's not just about getting furniture onto a ship. It's about coordinating the full move from your New York residency to your destination home abroad. If you're planning an overseas move from New York and want expert guidance, visit our website or call 877-339-0267 to speak with an SDC International Shipping.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.